All right.
You like this?
What?
A camera. What's that camera?
It's a video.
Yeah. What's the name?
Oh, this is a, I don't even know why, Samsung.
Samsung. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, it works great. I got a machine I can put them right on the DVDs at home back in Ohio. So I want to make sure I don't have to walk back up here again and try to get everything in there.
Caught you knocking at my cellar door. I love you, baby. Can I have some more? Damage done. Hit the city and I lost my band. I watched the needle take another man. Gone, gone, the damage done. Sing the song because I love the man. I know that some of you don't understand. Well, keep running. Sing the needle and the damage done. A little part of it in everyone, but every junkie's like a second son. One, yeah. The needle and the damage done, yeah. I'm gonna do another Neil Young song. Like I tell everybody every time, this is my favorite song that he ever wrote, and I really like it, so I hope you do too.
Down, Billy?
Well, I dreamed I saw the knights in armor coming, saying something about a queen. There were peasants singing and drummers drumming, and the archers split the tree. There was a fanfare Appreciate it a lot. Thank you kindly.